Hi. Last class we struggled for making toolpath canned pattern repeat cycle toolpath. Somewhere the tool is stuck in the tool. So for relieving that, at the end I have made one more small line. So turning canned pattern repeat chain, I'll partial weight. So I'm starting from the end. So I thought the problem was at the starting, but actually at the end only the tool is burying in the huge material. So that's the reason it shows the error. So now I just added one relief so that we will see now. I will take the neutral tool now. Parameter I just step over 1 mm, and I will give the number of passes, 5 passes. If you want to leave stock, you can just accept. Now you can see that it has made very correct. So last time, so the tool was the neutral one, so somehow it is hitting over there. You can so you can take normal finish tool path also to cover this. So just accept it. So we can do canned rough cycle, right, and repeat rough cycle. I'll change the post processor. Okay, let us see. Now we'll take out the output and see. So this is your G73 cycle. This is the pattern repeat cycle. You can see G70 is a finishing cycle. Okay, so this is all about the. So far we have seen 70, 71, 72 and 73. We have seen all this scan cycle. So next is the toolpath grooving cycle. So we'll use the same stock for grooving cycle. We'll go to turning, grooving, groove toolpath. In this grooving you have 1 point, 2 point and 3 point option. So we can I have selected 1 point option, and so you take the groove tool, and the width and the other parameters you just enter it. Radius I will give 0.25, top radius also 0.25. So if you want angle, you can give 5 degree. So the same thing, you just make it in the, so you can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. I think I did it wrongly. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. Okay. So here you no need to do much, it will take care. Now you can see that it has done. So if you want to reduce the depth, you can reduce it. Groove depth is now, so I will make it to 5 mm now. Okay, regenerate. So if you remove this side, so here the finish is happening along with the rough only. Okay, There is no separate finishing tool path is necessary here. Okay, I will generate NC file and show you how the code is going to come. So now you can see G75 cycle. Okay, with this we have finished all CAD cycles. Roughing 2 cycle and finishing 70 and 75 is the growing cycle, and pattern repeat is G73. So now we have seen almost all the tool parts. What is left out is the C-axis tool parts that we will see in the separate. So if you finish this, we have finished the lathe. Okay, thank you.